All right, guys, so we went hunting this morning, didn't see anything but a doe, deer running around, but it's the weekend and I'm off all next week. Got to get this culvert put in because the rain is starting here pretty soon. So what we've done is, this is the second culvert. This is that low swag that we've been having issues with. Already used my laser, graded it down, brought in some clay to pack it, graded it down to where the water will run out that way. Eventually all this will have water diverted. All the water will be diverted to the front of the pipe. May dig a little ditch to kind of help it. We'll be building up some dirt there. But this is the next step, getting this road passable during the winter. And went with a corrugated pipe. I wish I had a steel pipe, but this is gonna be it. And using the I'm gonna use the mini hoe to hold it down. Got some these are called sucker rods. Got them on both sides, 4 points, keeping it from rolling. Don't have a whole lot of dirt left, and it's probably gonna take 6-10 loads of dirt to get it up. I need about 1.5 feet on top of this, maybe 2 foot, then rock. Be able to hold up the concrete trucks when they decide to come in here and start doing my pad and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cover this. On my phone, I don't have a battery for my GoPro. It's dead. Hey guys, it's Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead, and today we're working back on the homestead for a new build. In past videos, if you've been following me or have come across them, during the winter this is a really bad low spot. It gets real bad wet, and eventually it softens up to where even the tractor gets pretty bogged down. So what we've done here is we put in a 15-inch culvert. It's 40 foot wide. I've got it kind of cocked at an angle because of the way the terrain runs. Also, I'm trying to be careful about this big tree right here and not get too far on it. We're going to be building a house back here. For the ones that don't know what we got going on here, we also will be building a shop and other things. So the goal right now is to make this passable. I don't know if I'm gonna get all my dirt. It's about a 40-minute turnaround on this truck getting dirt here. This is not turning out how I wanted it to, and what I mean by that is how it's looking, the aesthetics of it. This is a very old property, has a lot of history to the community, and I don't like this. So we're going to continue with this. I'm going to go ahead and connect this to where we can make this passable and safe. But I think down the road, and this may be a year or two, I'm going to take this out and make this a either a low water crossing. It only gets wet during the spring in the winter time, but make this a low water crossing, or even build a small historical looking bridge. But anyways, that's for in the future. Right now that's not the game. I'm sorry, that's not the game plan. Game plan is to connect here to there. Some of the obstacles that we're going to run against is making sure that we can get concrete trucks over this without having to put rock down. And so I'm gonna have to make it kind of poofy, lots of dirt. But so anyways, wanted to show you guys some good news that we got here. We've been doing a lot of hunting this week, and so far my daughter hasn't harvested, correct word, harvested anything. She's looking for a wall hanger. Now we eat a lot of deer meat. I say a lot. We eat about 2 to 3 deer a year for a family of 3. But she got her first deer last year or the year before. It's pretty bad dad, huh? Bad dad moment. But anyways, now she wants a wall hanger, as she calls it. So we've been getting after it. We've been doing a lot of hunting, and we went this morning here on our property. Seen a few does. She didn't want to take anything like that. She's really wanting some horns to put on the wall. I've got some pretty nice deer that I've killed over the years, and both of them were deer a lifetime to be taken here in Louisiana. Anyways, let's go over here and we'll show you all guys something. Can y'all hear it? We got a transformer, and it's hot. Now, right here is where the service will continue on to the house, which is going to be over there where the burn pile is. But I've got to get temporary service in here set up for, one, for construction, but two, also for the camper. So I've got to get in contact with a electrician. I've got one in mind. It's a new guy that's worked on my buddy's place, new to me. He's a young guy, so I don't know what kind of experience he has. I know he's been in residential, commercial, and industrial, so that's a plus. I've got a lot of electric work that has to be done out here. Wire up a shop for my wife with all her woodworking stuff. Requires a lot of 220s. So I need to get him out here, get that power box, temporary service hooked up, whatever you want to call it. And then once obviously we can get in and out, I can't even get my gooseneck out because I forgot to pull it out before we started this. Anyways, once we get that up. I need to lay out the house again. I've got it laid out. I need to make some adjustments on location, moving in some directions to make room for the shop, because we're actually going to put the shop on the back side of the house by the carport, make one big driveway. That way when we run service from the house to the shop, it won't be too far of a distance. We're also going to put the I'm thinking about this, putting our well inside the shop. Now we have a community system out here for water, but there's two things, well there's three, but two things I'm having issue with for our current necessities of life, which is water, power, electric, you know, those kind of things. I can't get natural gas down here without spending a fortune. I can't get water down here without spending a fortune because I live down such a rural road. It's blacktop and everything, but it's still rural. We don't have a whole lot of people that live out here. And to get water ran to my property edge, still would have to run it, what, 1,600 foot to the house? Just to get to the property's edge was going to be right at $20,000. Natural gas, which our house that we sold, we had everything set up on natural gas and we really like it. That was going to be $24,000. To get this underground electric ran back here to where the transformer was a little over 1,300 feet. I think it was around 1,350. That was going to be $22,000. Guys, we're getting close to $70,000 before you even do anything back here. This is going to cost me a couple $1,000 just to get here. I've already spent roughly $10,000 on clearing because I wasn't able to take off and do it myself. I hired a friend of mine, which is hauling the truck, hauling the dirt. Probably should have went off grid in Louisiana. Yeah, ain't gonna work. All right, anyways, we're gonna wait on some more trucks and then we're gonna get back after it. Got a lot of sand in it, which I don't really mind.
I was saying, good looking dirt, ain't a lot of.
Because this is clay, it's a clay bottom right there.
It's not like a lot of long, big old chunks.
This is 3 today, and this is 2 big trucks, real long. But yeah.
My great-granddaughter Stella, she say, "Oh, I love dirt, Mimi."
Hey, I built in a big old playground when I used to work for myself.
Yeah.
At the old house that we were in.
Uh-huh.
And
You got that dirt lot.
I had one pile of dirt left out there beside it. I sodded it
And
went and got outdoor carpet for underneath her playground that way, and built it up.
yeah.
Like a big pad. That way when it rained, she still had a place to go play, right?
Yeah.
So I'm all done with it, and it's looking good. Heather sends me a picture of her playing in a dirt pile. So for 5 years, I had to keep her a dirt pile.
Oh.
Every kid in the neighborhood would come play in the dirt pile.
Yeah, they just love it.
And that's what she likes, playing in the dirt.
We ride her over here some when we have her, and she'll say, "Oh, look at that water, Mimi. I love mud." I said, "You do."
I love mud. Well, we didn't get it completely done. We lacked quite a few more loads of dirt with this 15-yard truck. This is 7 15-yard trucks and 2 24-yard trucks of dirt. But at least I can get the vehicles across and I can get my gooseneck out of here. But no one's working tomorrow. Got a holiday. So I'm hoping that we'll be able to pick up on the next day and get this finished up. I've got some ideas of what I want to do here on the sides. I've got still a lot more dirt here to do on that side. Feather it out, and hope I can get away with this without having to put rock on it until after concrete. We'll see. Don't know for sure. I'll have to bring some heavier trucks in here. But guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm done. It's almost dark. My wife took my daughter hunting. That's a first for all of us. I usually take them hunting. So hopefully she'll get her a good deer. We appreciate you watching. Y'all hit that subscribe button, the like button, share it with all your friends, be a part of our family, and we'll see you on the next video.